Maggi baby corn recipe. In a vessel, add around 1.5 liters of water and boil it. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 250 grams cut baby corn. Boil for 6 minutes. Drain the water. Transfer drained hot baby corn. Add 3 teaspoons corn flour. Add 2 packets of Maggi masala magic. Mix well and keep aside. Add 3 tablespoons oil to a hot pan. Add 1 thinly sliced onion and 3 spring onion whites. Stir fry it. Add half a green capsicum and mix. Add Maggi masala magic. Add 1 tablespoon Maggi hot and sweet ketchup. Add 2 slit green chilies. Add the baby corn and stir fry till it turns brown. Add some spring onion greens when it is cooking. Stir fry till it turns brown. Garnish with spring onion greens. Serve hot. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.